Hi and welcome to another video. My name is Marissa, and for this video I will be showing you the results of my eco dyeing papers. If you recall the last video I made, I was just shoving everything in my big Tupperware box and put water, put tea, put all those little funny elements. You saw me do that, and now this is what came out. This is the page or the paper that was right on top that got my brick pressing down, and look how pretty that looks. That was excellent. You can see the cord that I tied the whole bundle up. It actually made a nice pattern, and I think I will be including cord or twine in the middle of when I do this the next time, in the middle of some pages, because that actually made a very nice pattern. Now I can tell you that this is a learning process, and some things worked, some things didn't work. So, well, I will tell you what worked and what didn't work. The hibiscus tea gave this very nice purple look. Okay, this is purple. I don't know if you can get that in the camera. It looks black, but it's purple. It gave that lovely purple look. And the rest was all the lemon tea, and it actually smells great. I just smelled my paper, yeah. The metal parts did not give the results I thought they would give. I really thought that they would give that some more orangey look, but not many of them did many things. But some did, some didn't. I'll have to choose which ones next time, which ones really gave that nice effect. What else? So that's I'll be sort of speaking to you through, and I'll be just flipping through. So where you see the white bit here, that's where my petals were. So petals do not work in this process. And if you recall, I did not cook this. This was the 24-hour, it was just marinating in all this stuff, and it didn't work. So I suspect the petals would work if I had cooked the papers. All right. So, but they did not cook on this one. And so maybe if I get my pot, I will cook in that way, yes, and then I'll put some nice petals in them. Because all these, all that darker shade you see there, that's the hibiscus tea, and all the lighter is my lemon tea. So the hibiscus tea actually gave me that nice purpley look, which I really loved. Oh, look there. Here was one of the pages where the metal piece was. What I did notice was that whatever made a bulge in the layers of paper, the tea would seep through, or seep in, and that would actually make a very nice pattern. So when I do this, I will know that I must make nice bulgy things so that the tea can just seep in and it'll follow that pattern. This was one of the metal pieces that actually did something that made that rusty orangey look. I like that. That one's that. And some papers, some of my old book papers really went dark. Look at that. That's nice. That's the hibiscus tea working there. And then my old photo documents, that was nice. And the lavender. Remember I put the lavender little bits and pieces. That didn't do much. I was very disappointed about that. That did not leave any color at all. But these papers look great. They were nice and white. These were all white. Oh, look at that one. That was that metal piece that was just like a U or V shape. You can see that because it made a grove in the paper, it made space in the paper. The tea just went in there, and it just, you know, went in there. So that is definitely something I will try and do, even if it's not with metal pieces. Here's another one of those metal pieces. And here's another one. This is just that long cardstock thingy that maybe I'll use it for tags. So whenever you do this, just think of what you can put in between your papers that will like make little grooves and things, so that the tea can go in there. That was just simple. Some of my papers did tear. Yes, there's another metal piece. That looked good. But it's like the metal piece didn't do anything. It didn't give me color. What it did do was just make that groove where the tea just would seep in, and the tea would actually make the stain, not the metal part or piece. So anyway, but I will definitely, this is my bottom page, you can see, because the twine, that's where the twine would cross, and it actually made that very nice pattern. So I will definitely be using twine in between, you know, just putting some pieces there. You see, some of the metal pieces did, and some of the metal pieces did nothing. And that actually went right through the paper. Wow, that actually went right through the paper. So I will have to select my metal pieces, and these were folded like that. So it looks like those, you know, when you put paint on this side and you shove it, kind of print on both sides. So that was that. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, but they look good. I'm very, very happy. This is an A4, I think, very thick paper. And this was a little metal piece that I got there. That one actually did do something, but it's so small. Anyway, here's another big one. You see, the metal pieces didn't do much. It just made that passageway for the tea to just seep in, and that's what made the tea actually just dyed everything, nothing else. The lavender didn't do much. I tore that up. You see that? That's another metal piece here. Whoops. So I'm very happy with these results. Even if the petals didn't do a thing, look at that. I think in here I just put my lemon tea. Look how nice and yellow and orange that looked. Very, very nice. So I'll need to get my pot and, you know, see if I can cook something. Because I can see that the petals need to be cooked up, the flowers need to be cooked up if I want them to leave color, because they did not leave any color just by marinating for 24 hours. So anyway, hope you liked my eco dyed papers. I will definitely be using these in future junk journal. So see you later.